Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal my #1 traffic source for promoting affiliate offers. And the beautiful thing about this traffic source is it's free. All you've got to do is put in a little bit of time in order to get the system into action. And in some cases within 48 hours you can start generating traffic and sales for your affiliate offers. I'm going to go quite deep with this in this video and show you behind the scenes of how it actually works. And this is a very unique system, and I don't really see anyone out there on YouTube really teaching this. So this is going to be a bit of a treat for you if you want to start an affiliate marketing business, or you're already an affiliate and you're sort of wanting to expand your affiliate marketing business out to other traffic sources. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So when sort of driving traffic, or should I say, when you've picked an affiliate offer that you like, you endorse, and you're looking for traffic sources, there's so many different traffic sources out there. Most people, what most newbie affiliates do is they just sort of spam their offers all over social media and wonder why they don't get traffic, because there's no strategy behind it. But on top of that as well, there's all sorts of different traffic sources you can use. You can obviously go down the organic route and just use social media and free traffic, or you can use paid traffic. The #1 traffic source in many ways is having your own email list, because once you've collected emails, you'll own that for life. And basically with the touch of a button you can potentially reach thousands, if not tens of thousands of people, and make a lot of money. But obviously building an email list takes time and quite a bit of effort. But if you want to get going straight away, you're new to affiliate marketing, you're looking for a traffic source to start driving traffic to your offers straight away whilst giving a lot of value to your audience, then I'm going to reveal that right now. And what I'm talking about is YouTube. Now, what I'm going to do here is just walk you through one of my best performing videos. So basically what I do, once I found an affiliate offer that converts really well, I like it because I use it. What I will do is I will do product review videos of those videos. Now, I never show myself on camera. I just record the screen like you can see in front of you. Sometimes I'll turn my web camera on, as you can see here. Sometimes I won't. What I'll do is I'll go inside the product and I'll review it and actually help people who are interested in the product. I'll give my unbiased opinions. I'll say what I like about the product, what I don't like the product, if a product works. And then at the end of a video, I'll give a plug, for the product, and that is it. And, I'll keep my videos anywhere from 3 to maximum of 10 to 12 minutes long. You can, there's all sorts of screen recording software you can get. A lot of it is free, so you don't have to spend a fortune. All you need is a decent microphone and you are in business. But how do we actually drive traffic or optimize these videos so we can drive traffic to them? Well, what you need to do is create a YouTube channel, and then what you want to do is upload your video to YouTube, as you can see here. And this is one of my best performing videos for a product called One Ticker Trader. Now, this video you see here, it's died off a bit now because this video's been going probably for about 6-7 months. But this very video at its peak was bringing me in anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day. It was absolutely crushing it. And, at its peak, this was bringing me 150 views per day. So this was an absolute killer video. So how do I go about optimizing my videos? So what you want to do is, if the product you're promoting is being promoted heavily by the owners, people are going to be searching for that product in Google. Google is probably one of the first, Google and YouTube actually, the first places people go to search for new products or look for reviews for products. So what you want to do, or what my system does, is it ranks these product review videos for the product name, in this case One Ticker Trader, on page 1 of Google and YouTube. Honestly, this is absolutely killer. So what I do, for an example of One Ticker Trader, what I'll do is I'll optimize this video for this keyword. All I need to do is create 3 to 5 videos wrapped around this keyword, and usually my videos will start ranking depending on how competitive those keywords are amongst other YouTubers. So how do we actually do this? So I'm going to give you a quick overview of how I optimize my videos. The most important thing is you want to put the keyword you want to rank for in the title, the first sort of, in the first line. So in this case, One Ticker Trader, it's a review. So I'd say One Ticker Trader review. And this One Ticker retirement plan is kind of like the strategy that the guru in this product is promoting. This is a financial product. But you want to create a catchy headline, but the most important thing, if you want to rank for the keyword, is to put the keyword at the beginning of your YouTube title. Then what I usually do, I usually put the link to the product, and then what I'll do is I'll create a description, and I'll try and wrap in the product keyword up to 3 to 5 times. Another important thing, what you want to do is put a really catchy thumbnail. So all I've done for this is I've just put product still, One Ticker Trader review, and then what I'll do is this is the tag section. When you upload a video on YouTube, I'll just put all of the keywords I want to rank for in here, and that is pretty much it. Obviously this is a very simplified sort of way of how I optimize videos. A little more in depth than this. Actually, if you want to go deep in how to do YouTube SEO so you can rank affiliate marketing products, I can highly recommend a course called a course from a guy called Paul Murphy. It's called Affiliate Tube. Basically, Paul is the master of the system. I learned the system from Paul Murphy. He goes deep into it in his course, and he gives you all the ins and outs of how to rank product review videos and affiliate videos on YouTube using this strategy. I've given you a very quick overview of how I do it, but it's a little more in depth than that. If you want to check that course out, I'll link to it below in the description in the resources section. So yeah, that is how I basically optimize his videos. This is my favorite traffic source. I've been using YouTube now for over a year, and using this method, I've generated, over 6 figures. This one video at its peak was doing, up to $1,000 plus per day. But on a bad day, this is still doing, about $200 a day. Let me just show you the analytics. This is another great thing. You don't need subscribers and you don't need a lot of traffic, because seeing we're putting these videos in front of people searching for this product, you only need a couple of views in order to get sales, especially if it's a high converting, high quality product that people want with good search volume. Over the lifetime of this video, it's received 3,200 views. As you can see, the video has died off a bit, but it's still bringing me in fairly consistent sales. This is all super high quality traffic here. 3,200 views. It's brought me 81 subscribers, and I've got 180 in ad revenue, which, doesn't really matter. And yeah, this is how I pretty much run my affiliate marketing business. All of the products I promote, this is how I do it. I'm surprised more people don't do this, because in my opinion, this is probably one of the most powerful affiliate marketing strategies that you can use, because video is the future. When people are searching for products and want product reviews, and basically with this strategy is putting product reviews in front of the people who are searching for them. And these videos, when done right, convert like absolute crazy. So let me show you what this looks like. So this is One Ticker Trader for the product showed you, and I dominate page 1. So these are all of my videos for this keyword. So as you can see, my channel is investment of the decade, as you can see here. And yeah, these are all of my videos here, dominating page 1 for this keyword, as you can see. This is still a hot product. It converts like crazy. I get $125 for every customer who buys this, so I get a lot of money. And honestly, this absolutely crushes it. absolutely crushes it. These are all of my videos. I'm dominating page one. And when you follow my strategy, when you put 5 videos up or more, 5 to 10 videos up, you will dominate page one like this. Now, bit of a disclaimer. Obviously, your success is going to very much depend on how many affiliates are using this strategy and optimizing videos. But if you find a product that hasn't got a lot of competition, you can mop up. But even if there are other affiliates, uploading videos and ranking them for the keyword, you can still get your videos on page one with a bit of work. So how long does it take to get these videos up? So it really depends. Obviously, if there isn't really much competition, you can have videos ranking within 24 hours, easy. Obviously, if there's competition, it can take longer than that. There's no exact time frame. It can take 7 to maybe 30 days. But once your videos start ranking, the traffic will start coming in and you will start earning commissions. I'm going to give you a bonus traffic source as well if you want to get started really quickly. So before I started my YouTube channel, because I'm an expert media buyer as well. If you don't know what a media buyer is, it's just someone who buys online advertising. So I was a very good media buyer. And basically what I did to launch my affiliate marketing business is I launched simple Google search ads that ranked for product terms like One Ticket Trader. In fact, I promoted this product with ads at one point. So what I did, I created a simple Google search ads campaign, optimize those ads for the keywords you wanted to rank for. In this instance, One Ticket Trader, your ad will appear at the top for that keyword, and that ad will bring in sales like clockwork. Again, this strategy earned me over $1,000 to $1,500 per day at times. Now, this is probably the fastest way to get going with affiliate marketing. If the vendor allows you to run ads on their, brand terms or product terms, in the full act of honesty and transparency, not every vendor will allow you to run ads, to their product or brand terms. But if they do this strategy, because you will make a ton of money very quickly. And the beautiful thing is that you can start these ad campaigns at $10 to $15 a day. And seeing it's all buyer traffic, the traffic converts really, really well. So that is my favorite traffic source for promoting affiliate products. And obviously that was my bonus traffic source. This is pretty much all I do. I do grow an email list as well, but it's not my primary traffic source. What I showed you is what I do. So yeah, that is how I run my business. Now, if you want to take a deeper dive into how I run my affiliate marketing business and work only 10 hours per week and get a deep dive of how I make $200 to $1,000 a day, I've created the 10-hour week affiliate masterclass, which takes you completely behind the scenes of my affiliate marketing business, and I show you how you can do the same. If you want to watch it, it's only 30 minutes long. Just come to this page, which will be down in the description, click the button, enter your email address, completely free, and it will take you straight to the masterclass. And what I'll do is I'll put all of the tools in the resources section below that I use to run my affiliate marketing business and build these landing pages so I can promote affiliate products. Anyway, if you like the video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel for more traffic? For more videos like this. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative. All I will say is get out there, start finding products, and start using YouTube product review videos to start driving sales. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.